Modern monitors often connect to multiple devices like computers and gaming consoles. Switching HDMI inputs allows you to easily change which device displays on your screen. This is especially useful for setups with multiple computers or when alternating between work and entertainment. Begin by locating the physical buttons on your monitor. These are typically found on the bottom or side bezel of the screen. The control buttons include power, menu, and input selection options. Their placement varies by brand and model. The power button is usually marked with the universal power symbol and may include a small LED indicator light nearby. Look for the menu button, often marked with an icon resembling a list or settings symbol. This is key for accessing input options. The input or source button may show a monitor icon or HDMI symbol. Press this to cycle through available inputs. Remember, button layouts differ between monitor brands and models, so consult your user manual if needed. To access the input source menu on your monitor, first locate the physical buttons on the monitor's bezel. Press the menu button, usually labeled as menu or with a menu icon. This will open the on-screen display menu, which appears as an overlay on your screen. Navigate through the menu options using the arrow buttons. Look for Input Source, Input Select, or Display in the menu. Different monitors may label this option differently, but it typically includes words like Input, Source, or Select. Once you find the input-related option, select it to proceed to choosing your HDMI input. With the input source menu open, you'll see available inputs including HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and other options like DisplayPort, VGA, or DVI. HDMI ports are usually labeled with numbers. Use the cursor or remote to highlight the desired HDMI input, such as HDMI 2. HDMI ports follow standard naming conventions, typically numbered sequentially. Other common inputs include DisplayPort for high-resolution displays, VGA for older monitors, and DVI for digital connections. After selecting the HDMI input, the monitor screen changes to display the content from the selected device. A brief clip shows the new source appearing on the screen, confirming the successful switch. The monitor may take a few seconds to recognize the new input. Some monitors come with dedicated software that allows you to switch inputs directly from your computer. This method is less common, but can be more convenient for users who prefer software control over physical buttons. For example, LG monitors may have software that displays an input source menu directly on screen. You can navigate using the monitor's buttons to select HDMI inputs. The software guides you through opening the main menu and selecting the input option using the monitor's control buttons. Samsung monitors might offer software with detailed picture settings, including options that affect input display quality. ASUS monitors often include the Display Widget software, which provides comprehensive display controls, including game visual modes and input-related settings. Keep in mind that monitor software availability varies by brand and model. While less common than physical button navigation, software methods can offer more convenience for users who prefer computer-based control. If you see a no signal message on your monitor, start by checking the HDMI cable connections on both the monitor and your device. Ensure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the monitor's HDMI input port and your device's HDMI output port. Check for any damage to the cable or connectors. Try a different HDMI cable if available. Next, verify that the selected input on your monitor matches the HDMI port your device is connected to. Access your monitor's input source menu using the physical buttons on the monitor. Select the correct HDMI input that corresponds to your device's connection. If the issue persists, try power cycling both the monitor and your device, or test with a different HDMI port on your monitor. To recap, switching HDMI inputs involves locating the physical buttons on your monitor, accessing the input source menu, selecting the desired HDMI input, and confirming the switch. Remember to consult your monitor's user manual for specific instructions tailored to your model. For optimal display quality, ensure proper cable connections are made securely. If you encounter issues, refer to troubleshooting guides. Feel free to leave questions in the comments.